Looking for the perfect quiet outdoor fan to keep your space cool without the noise? You're in the right place. Our channel brings you quality videos every day to help you choose the best products with confidence. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more helpful reviews. Number 1. Lasco High Velocity Misting Fan. This Lasco fan looks like something out of a sci-fi film. Despite its compact size, it has amazing air circulation. It's only 14.9 inches tall and has an 11.3-inch footprint. Wet. It's wet-rated, which is helpful because it's also a misting fan. You connect it to a water outlet using the included 9-feet hose, and it blows mist while also cooling. It's a great feature for when it's hot. Wet. The fan's louvers, grill, don't oscillate to circulate air in a broader arc. But on the other hand, it has a 360-degree vertical pivot for a greater range of circulation. Unfortunately, there isn't a decibel rating, but users consistently praise its almost silent operation. The main drawback of this Lasco fan is its fairly low CFM rating. At only 350 on its highest setting, it's not that powerful for outdoor use, as many reviewers state. The same is true for its misting function. It's only noticeable when you're sat close by. Number 2. Lasco Oscillating Tower Fan. This oscillating outdoor fan from Lasco is completely waterproof, meaning you're not limited to using it in covered areas. Its casing is also UV resistant. While this is minor, it at least means it won't fade over time. Rather than the fan casing oscillating, its louvers move instead. It still provides better air circulation, but it's an inferior version of an oscillating outdoor fan. If you want the best circulation possible, consider an oscillating pedestal fan. You manually adjust the fan's 3-speed settings and 4 modes using dials on its top. These include Night Breeze mode, which operates at only 57 dBm. It's pretty quiet for an outdoor oscillating fan. Some users state that the fan's oscillation arc isn't great because its grills move rather than the tower. However, this is balanced by its surprising power, as you can feel its breeze up to 10 feet away. Number 3. New Air Outdoor Misting Fan. A pedestal fan like this one can be good if you want to position it behind furniture, such as a bench or sofa. It's also a good option for airflow at a higher level than a tower fan. This outdoor oscillating pedestal fan has a wide arc, and the 18-inch fan has a CFM rating of 2800. It's good for circulating air in a wide area, such as a larger patio. It connects to any standard exterior water outlet to spray a mist, which you can use on any of its 3 speed settings. Better yet, it's energy efficient and won't cost much to operate for long periods. Although it has a misting function, this outdoor standing fan isn't completely waterproof. It's damp-rated and has a leak protection feature. This turns the pedestal fan off if it detects too much water, so you can at least feel confident using it outdoors. Just be sure to not use it when it's raining. Number 4. Ohm Tools Oscillating Wall Mount Fan. A wall-mounted fan is always a good option for an outdoor space, and this one is no exception. It's IP44 rated, meaning it's completely waterproof and so can be used in uncovered areas. It has 3 speeds, the highest of which operates at 1080 RPM. It provides 6,800 CFM of airflow, which is quite powerful for an outdoor fan. As a result, it's suitable for large outdoor areas. Its industrial look is quite common for outdoor fans of this nature. The stainless steel housing means it would look more at home in a gym or professional setting. If appearance is important for you, perhaps consider a different model, such as the Lasco Tower Fan or Air King wall-mounted fan. While it doesn't provide a specific decibel rating, users state it's quiet when mounted properly, as with all wall-mounted fans. Ensure it's fixed securely to the wall to avoid wobbling. Number 5. Kunbola Rechargeable Floor Fan. This floor fan operates at 30 decibels, making it extremely quiet. It's also damp-rated, meaning you can use it in humid areas but not during rainfall. Even so, It's a decent outdoor fan. It plugs into a USB port and charges very quickly. Plus, you have an LED indicator to tell you how much battery is left. Like the Fine Sky fan above, this fan has a rotary speed dial rather than specific settings. Again, this is a fine feature, but no more useful than the traditional fan setup. Although it's quite a small fan, it has good airflow. That said, it's designed for smaller outdoor spaces or close proximity use, so don't expect it to cool your entire massive patio. Again, as with the Fine Sky fan, users criticized its battery life. On high, you get 4 hours use from it. But this is an issue with almost all rechargeable fans and is something you sign up for when choosing one.